The Missouri Department of Education website is down for maintenance after a St. Louis Post-Dispatch reporter uncovered a security flaw that could potentially expose teachers' sensitive information. This is KOAM News at 6. Officials say through a multi-step process, an individual took the records of at least 3 educators, encrypted the source code from the web page, and viewed the social security numbers of those specific educators. In a news conference today, the governor didn't specifically identify who was responsible, but the St. Louis Post-Dispatch reported it discovered the vulnerability in a web application that allowed the public to search teacher certifications and credentials.
This administration is standing up against any and all perpetrators who attempt to steal personal information and harm Missourians. They had no authorization to convert or decode, so this was clearly a hack. This individual is not a victim. They were acting against a state agency to compromise teachers' personal information in an attempt to embarrass the state and sell headlines for their news outlet.
The St. Louis Post-Dispatch released a statement in which they said the reporter did the responsible thing by reporting his findings. The statement went on to say, quote, "A hacker is someone who subverts computer security with malicious or criminal intent. Here, there was no breach of any firewall or security and certainly no malicious intent." For the Department of Elementary and Secondary Education to deflect its failures by referring to this as hacking is unfounded. Thankfully, these failures were discovered. Governor Parson says the incident will cost the state up to $50 million.